In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to keep Microsoft Teams green. First, open your Microsoft Teams account and make sure you're signed in. Once Teams is on screen, go to the top right corner and click your profile icon. This will open a small drop-down menu where you can see your current status. If your status is not set to available, click on it and choose available from the list. This is the main setting that keeps your presence showing as green when Teams detects that you're active. It's important to understand that setting your status to available does not permanently lock it in place. Microsoft Teams still updates your status automatically based on your device activity. So if your computer goes idle, falls asleep, or gets locked, your status may change from green to away after a while. To stay available for longer, make sure your computer stays awake by adjusting your sleep settings if needed. It also helps to remain active in Teams or in other applications on your computer, since inactivity can trigger a status change. And if possible, avoid locking your device while you want your status to remain green. Another option you can use is the status message feature. To do this, click your profile icon again and select Set Status Message. A text field will appear where you can type a custom message. This can be useful if you want to let teammates know you're online, working, or available, even if you step away briefly. After typing your message, look for the drop-down under Clear Status Message after. Click that field and choose how long you want the message to stay visible. Your options include never, today, 1 hour, 4 hours, or this week. Once you've chosen the timing you want, click Done to save the message. Keep in mind that this status message is separate from the green availability indicator. In other words, the message adds context for other people, but your actual green status still depends on your activity and device behavior. So to recap in a simple way, open Teams, click your profile icon, and make sure your status is set to available. Then if you want, add a status message and decide how long it should stay visible. For the best results, keep your computer awake, stay active, and avoid locking the device. And that's it. You now know how to keep Microsoft Teams green.